In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a clickable button in Figma using interactive component variants. Start by opening your Figma file and creating a rectangle using the rectangle tool. Adjust the corner radius to make the button rounded if you'd like. Next, add text on top of the rectangle using the text tool. Type your button label such as Get Started or Submit and center it inside the shape. Select both the rectangle and text, then group them together. With the group selected, right-click and choose Create Component. This turns your button into a reusable component. Now create a second state for the button by clicking Add Variant. You'll see a new variant appear beside the original. Select the new variant and change its appearance. For example, use a different background color to represent the clicked state. Next, switch to the Prototype tab. Drag the prototype node from the first variant to the second variant. Set the interaction to on-click and choose Change To. Select the second variant as the destination. If you want the button to toggle back, connect the second variant back to the first using another on-click Change To interaction. To test the button, drag the component into a frame and click the present button in the top right corner. Click the button in preview mode and you'll see it switch between its variants, creating a clickable interactive effect. And that's it! You've successfully created a clickable button in Figma using component variants and prototype interactions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.